Hello viewers. In this video, the topic we are going to explore is Django. First, we will cover what Django is, then we will examine its future scope, focusing particularly on how it fits into the world of artificial intelligence, AI. So, what exactly is Django? Django is a high-level Python full-stack web framework. This framework allows us to rapidly develop web applications that are fully secure, scalable, and maintainable. Django is often described as a batteries-included framework. Why? Because it provides all the necessary features for building a web application built in. These built-in features include authentication, an admin panel, ORM, forms, security, sessions. We will discuss these and other features in greater detail. This framework is the primary web framework used by several top companies, including Instagram, Pinterest, Disqus, and Mozilla. Next, let's explore why Django is such a popular framework. The first main reason is rapid development. If you need to develop a production-ready application quickly, creating a quick MVP, this framework is extremely helpful. MVP stands for Minimum Viable Product. The next major reason is security. Django's built-in security protection handles common web application attacks and threats automatically. Django comes with built-in security features as part of its core package, often without requiring you to write extensive security code. Here is a look at the specific security features provided. SQL injection protection. Django's ORM automatically escapes queries, preventing SQL injection attacks. Cross-site request forgery protection. Django uses its forms system to generate and validate a CSRF token. Next, cross-site scripting protection, XSS protection. This is prevented through the Django template language, which eliminates scripting injection vulnerabilities. Authentication and authorization. Django provides a secure login system and secure password hashing built in. Django provides a comprehensive built-in user management system that handles both authentication and authorization. Clickjacking protection. This is protected by using security headers like X-frame options. HTTPS support provides support for secure encrypted connections. Password management supports strong default password management algorithms like bcrypt and Argon2 PBKDF2. Another main reason is scalability. Using this framework, we can build very large applications capable of supporting millions of users. The final main reason is community support. This framework has a huge ecosystem, tons of packages, and a strong developer base, which contributes greatly to its popularity. Next, let's look at the future scope of Django. The future scope for Django is undeniably strong. It remains a developer-friendly and highly favored framework. This is possible due to Django's emphasis on simplicity. Django can be used to build a wide range of applications, like SaaS applications, e-commerce platforms, content-heavy sites like blogs or news portals. For content sites, special packages like Wagtail allow for even quicker development. Back-end API support for mobile apps, making mobile app development easier. We can easily integrate AI ML models using REST APIs. For this purpose, the special package Django REST Framework allows us to build REST APIs in a proper, organized way. Since Django can be used to build every variety of application, its future scope remains excellent. This is a common question. Will Django survive the AI revolution? My answer is a firm yes, it will definitely survive. AI will enhance Django. It will not replace or kill it. AI always requires a strong delivery mechanism. The Django web framework is exactly that, a strong platform that provides the necessary back-end, API, authentication, and scalability components. Django can absolutely be used to build AI-powered apps. A web application always needs a strong web framework, and Django provides a strong, robust foundation. Therefore, we can build virtually any type of application with Django, quickly, with ease, and with strong built-in security. AI will act as an add-on to Django, not a replacement. Finally, let me share my final thoughts on the question, is learning Django worth it? My opinion is that learning Django is definitely worthwhile. If you are a beginner, learning Django is an excellent choice as it gives you a complete understanding of the full-stack framework. If you are already familiar with AI, you can build Django applications even more quickly. Therefore, even in 2025, learning Django is a great choice. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.